emotional intelligence, and teachers training. Before I welcome him, I would request you all to take the best use of this session, make it more interactive. He is here. He should not go without being tired. So make the best use of it. And I request Dr. Syed Habib to please come on stage. It's all yours, sir.
I know I'm between you and the lunch, but then that should not put your energy so bad. Having teachers, one of the qualities of teachers, one of the basic qualities of teachers is unconditional enthusiasm and energy. You cannot be a good teacher. Unconditional enthusiasm, and if you have fought with your husband in the morning. I know, I understand what happens. Is the audio clear? Volume do bhai. Thoda. So, we can to our fights from the house into the class. And that is one of the biggest challenge for all of us, correct? Yes. You agree to that, right? That is unconditional. अगर energy, enthusiasm नहीं दे सकते ये profession में नहीं आना चाहिए. So what kind of clapping you did? You made me feel miserable यार. आने के लिए यहाँ आके अरे के सामने खड़े होना ये बोल रहे नहीं वापस चले जाओ यार. With this because एक ही घंटा दिया है बहुत कंजूसी के साथ ज्यादा काम नहीं कर सकते घंटे में. वैसे तो you will not be able to tire me, as brother said. I stand for 8 hours with people, so I don't have a problem. You will have a problem. So first story. This is one of the stories I have put in my upcoming book, Tai or Camel Bolke, and it's a story to understand the human mind basically. So this story is about 4 students who want to make an ullu out of the principal. So what they do, it's an assessment time, assignment hai, college jana hai, but they don't know, they have not prepared, so they know what to do. They are trying to cook up an idea of escaping the assignment. So they go to the college, principal के पास जाने के बाद, they say, we had a tire puncture, बहुत problem हो गया, tire went down, and we could not make it in time, we are complaining, they had soiled their clothes a bit, grease वगैरह लगा के, they went inside, the principal looked at them, made them sit down, gave them water, and said, okay, I understand, unforeseen circumstance, right? And the principal sat down until they had their water, and he observed, okay? He observed all of them. And after observing, he said, let's do one thing. आपका assignment postpone कर देंगे 3 दिन के लिए, okay? They were like, thank you so much, sir. I'm really grateful. All of them went outside. The moment they stepped outside, high five to each other. वाह वाह हमने कर दिया, उल्लू बना दिया. And they went out. After they went out, they went home, they had 3 days, they prepared, they came back. 4th day when they came back, they came into the college, they're very happy. Before they came in, they got a welcome, the teachers took them, and each of them, they put them in a different class. Paper came, first question, write your name. Second question, which tire was punctured? All failed, no? कैसे हो सकता है? You can never give the right answer, right? Because it was a lie. And all failed. पूरे fail होने के बाद, the principal called them back into the session. He said, how was the assignment? They were all like, they didn't know. So whatever you say, brilliant sir, one of them was there. You know, एक चीज हमारे इंसानों को, हमारे लोगों को सिखाना ये है. Let me see if I can do a demonstration itself. Sister, why are you wearing the mask like that, sister? We are so defensive. Have you seen? She just put it back. Why you put it back? When you remove it, no. तुम्हें कहीं को नहीं पहने जी करके पूछे नहीं ना. Are you getting my point? You know what are we creating? People who are ready to be slaves. We are creating, our teachers are creating students who are ready to be slaves. Kuch puche to bhi. We are scared. We are already defensive. We should never ever create defensive kids. They should express. Let them be a bit naughty. You know they are naughty, but you just darguzar. You should do a blind eye. It is difficult to hold yourself and be quiet. What did the principal do? Lasting impression for life. Correct? One incident, he turned it around to a lasting. Will they ever forget this? The kids will never forget this. And they will always hold him as a favorite principal. When they came, he smiled at them. How was the paper? They said, "Kya sir, kar diya hamare saath." First question, 1 mark. Second question, 99 marks bolte. Kya hua? They might have failed, but they took back something immense for life. Right? That is what the teacher, you think you're teaching a subject? No, you're teaching life. And I would invite you to be disruptive teachers, not normal teachers. Ordinary से इंसान बेजार आ गया है. Ordinary teacher से बेजार आ गए. जो आप आज तक कर रहे थे, पूरा ordinary. You have to, if you want to move to the extraordinary, you should be extra crazy. When you come into the class, क्या crazy teacher है बोलना. I'm telling you, whatever it is, at least be crazy in whichever dimension it is. Either in your walk, in your talk, in your dressing sense, something, do something crazy, they can never forget you. Everything is so boring. Everything is so ordinary. I come into the class, I know what's going to happen. Ha! You should be unpredictable every time. एक दिन तुम्हें बोल रहे हैं कि there will be a big test and all that, you tell, get into the class, and that day don't do the test. Don't do the test. Have a great fun time. No subject, nothing. They should never be able to predict you. They predict you well, that's why they use you, they abuse you. Are you getting? Why am I telling so confidently? I was there in that chair. My teachers hated me. All my 90% of my teachers told, इन्हें तो कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा जिंदगी के, इन्हें तो बकवास failure है बोल के. They were that 10% who saved me. The 10% who saved me is what we need. Why they saved? Because they didn't judge me. They didn't? They never judged me. So I'm inviting you to be not a normal teacher. आज के बाद normal करे. You will be boring. कैसा भी मर को जाते हैं, कौन भी याद नहीं रखते, बेकार बोझ दुनिया के ऊपर आए, क्लास में क्या है कि बकवास करे, चले गए. You want to be like that? Why am I standing in front of you today? I'm an engineer. It's because of these teachers. They said, man, if you lose hope in your own self, that means you lost hope in God. This is the teachers who told me this. What they said, if you lose, you don't have a right to lose hope in your own self. I said, how come? Because if you lose hope in yourself, that means you have lost hope in God. That means you are saying God didn't do a good job out of you. Connect to the divine, connect to the bigger picture of the universe. We don't do that. So I'm inviting you to keep this word. Disruptive is a negative word actually. What is disruptive? कौन सी की ढंग से काम जो चल रहा है उसके अंदर बाधा डालना is called disruptive. What is disruptive? Something which is going normally, उसे अंदर जाके टांग अड़ाना is called be disruptive. Because what? Corona was disruptive for this world. So you saw the impact? Corona was disruptive for this world. Nobody imagined, nobody expected something like this can happen. What happened? The entire world is trying to grapple. In that few, the 10% who are able to understand it made the best use of it. The remaining are still crying. Right? So be disruptive. I want to tell you something about teaching. And this, if you're putting a lot of effort on lecturing, just 5%. उसका impact क्या है? Lecturing का impact? Just 5%, reading 10%, audiovisual 20%, demonstration 30%, discussion 50%, practice by doing 75%, teaching others 90%. Have you ever taught your children to teach other children? That is called flipping the classroom. That's a new concept. What they do, they flip the classroom. They tell the student to teach and then assist the student. Why you want to do so much hard work? You have some brilliant students in your class and not so brilliant students. Pick them out, give them chapter-wise assignment. No, तुम्हारा chapter जी कल तक prepare करको आना, lecture देना है तुम्हें. You know how the kid will learn? He will learn from teaching perspective, not from absorbing perspective, not from the exam perspective. Are you getting the point? When it's an intention which matters, right? When he's starting, I have to teach everybody, so I have to do it very good. Average नहीं कर सकता मैं. Exam बोले तो क्या करते हैं किसे भी मालूम नहीं. Nobody knows, right? So that's how you need to be. So teaching others, practice by doing, make them do, I mean, that is exactly what we do in our classrooms, but move a step forward because the entire world is going towards flipped classroom. Even online today, if you don't engage with the students, you're finished. You're dead as a teacher. You're gone. They may forget what you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel. क्या बोल डाले तो भी they'll forget it off. But उनके जो अंदर जज्बात, the feeling is there that they can never forget. That's what students का perspective है. So now I'm going to talk about something very disruptive so that you can relate. I'm giving you examples of disruption because you should remember and relate to it. Have you all remembered this scene? If at all you are born in the 80s, 70s, 80s, most of the, even at least 70s and 80s, most of the houses had chula only. अभी दूसरा नहीं आया था, कुछ भी नहीं आया था. After that, what happened? This was the norm. Today, this looks ridiculous, right? That time, mostly every single house, except the very elite 2%, had some different way of cooking. But most houses had chulha, और उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Phukni बोलते हैं. If you didn't know, right? That was what happened. This is the old style. Old style of teaching is सीधा बाइट. Notes कहीं को नहीं लिखा. You want to still hang on there? चूल्हा फूकनी? Huh? Hey, wake up, sisters and brothers, please wake up. Times have changed, they have left us. You know what? Some of my, I keep sitting with my kids and asking them about teachers. Oh, Sardar, तुमने मालूम नहीं वो teacher. Hey, अच्छा बात करे. Babu, please don't talk about the teacher. She gives me nightmares. Because of her, my exam is going to go bad. I loved maths till this year, my son said. क्या जी हो गया? आ गए ना वो. She's like one chudel. My God, I said, बेटा, you can't talk like this about teacher. गुनाह होता है. गुनाह पहले उनको होता है. They made me tell this to them. No, they will get the guna first, then I will get the guna. My God, these kids are too much. And I don't want to defend them. Hey, नहीं बोलना नहीं, कितने बार बोलेंगे? They will not listen. They are a different breed. Millennials are a different breed. They are different. उनको लाइन पे लाना बोले तो it requires कला. थोड़ा rowdyism भी करना पड़ता है. थोड़ा अच्छे भी रहना पड़ता है. थोड़ा उनके साथ flexible. What is disruption? Unpredictability. If they predict you, they'll slaughter you. I'm telling you this. This generation and the next, a forthcoming generation, they know much more. उनको जो technology मालूम है. Are you getting the point? This breed requires different. If not, please resign from teaching and get out. People don't need you. मेरी बात कड़वी लग रही है नहीं. Because it is truth. कड़वाई ट्रुथ में सच्चाई में कड़वाई आती है. सो नहीं तो पूरा मालिश मार के मस्का मार के बोलना पड़ता है. I'm telling you, wake up. What am I trying? What's my message today to you? If you don't reinvent yourself, you will be out of the system. How much of money which you make in your teaching, you are investing back on your own self? Minimum 10% of your salary. Are you investing back, buying something new, trying to go and attend a new program? Are you doing that? If you're not, then you are in danger. Sisters, I'm telling you that. So this is old style, and this is their response. When they see a person like this, right? उनका response क्या रहता है मालूम? आहा, ये बहुत मजा है ना ये नमूना क्या नमूना है ना ये मजा करेंगे चलो बोल के they start off. And in your class, if they're making too much of noises and fun and trying to put you down and you're not able to control, that means they're looking at you like this only. Ah, क्या नमूना है ना ये हाथ में मिल गया इसको छोड़ना नहीं बोल के. A toy, वो छोटा बंदर रहता है ना, की देते ना, की देने के बाद उसको छोड़ते हो क्या करता है टक 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 टक, then it stops. The moment it stops, what do? The kid picks it up again and gives the chavi. Again he leaves it, tak 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 tak, stops. Again the kid picks up and gives the chavi. Tak tak tak, खराब हो गया. He gives chavi, हल रहा नहीं. Gives chavi, हल रहा नहीं. Gives chavi, हल रहा नहीं. छोड़ को चले जाता. वो टॉय के जैसा होना, हल्लाच नहीं. क्या करे तो भी हल्ला नहीं. खुश रहना क्लास में, पानी पी ले के बैठ जाना, गलाटा कर रही तो, बिकॉज दे वॉन्ट यू टू हलोफाई, तुम्हें हले, इफ यू मूव अराउंड, इफ यू डू एग्जैक्टली एज दे प्रेडिक्ट यू, दे डू मोर, क्या है ना सीन, बहुत मजा आ रहा है. Are you getting my point? I'm calling you to change completely 360 degree. वापस गए एक बाद में टीचर्स, you know, अच्छे थे ना, अब तक क्या होगा इनको बोलना. Are you getting the point? That's the reality. And a naughty kid like me is telling you this. पूरे टीचर्स नाक में दम कर दिया था मैं. So I can remember this. I was like this. So what's the new norm? नहीं तो ये कैटेगरी के मिल जाते हैं. They'll sleep or they don't know what's happening in the class. They don't have a clue. Okay? So वहां से मुंह होना, आप कहां से, चूल्हा फूकने से कहा ना, ये कौन सा है, हाँ, केरोसिन स्टोव. एटलीस्ट चूल्हा फूकनी, तौबा तौबा तो, एटलीस्ट केरोसिन स्टोव. अब थोड़ा उसमें और थोड़ा दमदारी, थोड़ा आगे बढ़ के करना रहा तो पंप स्टोव. Did you remember? You might be laughing at it, but did you remember that moving from चूल्हा फूकनी to wick stove, ये क्या ला रहे हैं घर के अंदर, ये केरोसिन कहते, you've got wick कहते, it will explode, I'm going to die. Who adapted? 90% of the women did not adapt the stove. Only 10% ट्राई करेंगे, लॉ बोले. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट ये पंप स्टोव, ये तो बहुत बड़ा बॉम्ब है. पंप मारना कहते, पूरा हवा अंदर उड़ा तो मैं मरती, तुम्हें नहीं मरते. This is how people reacted. They didn't accept. You remember this? There are few who said, नहीं ट्राई करेंगे. Then the next, क्या की प्लान करें मेरे साथ, मैं पसंद नहीं आ रही तुम ना, इसी वास्ते इतना छोटा बॉम्ब नहीं, इतना बड़ा बॉम्ब ला कर रख रहे हैं घर में. Right? So what is the message? We don't want to accept change. We don't want नई चीज, डिसरप्टिव चीज, कुछ बड़े करना, कुछ तो पढ़ाई करना, कुछ तो लाना नया. No. I am stuck. What's the most difficult thing for a human being? To leave your present habits. अपने current habits और style को छोड़ना is the most difficult thing. Amazing, man. And then what has happened to the world? Now what happened? Somebody, is it working? Just check, sister. Okay, I'll ask you to change, okay, sister. So this is the latest. What is this? Induction. Have you seen how it moved? Now most of the people, most of the restaurants, everybody is using induction. Can you click, sister? Click, sister. The hardest part of learning something new is not embracing new ideas. It's not about taking new, but giving up the old ones. अब तुम ना 30 साल से प्रैक्टिस हो गई क्लास के अंदर ऐसा करके, अब उसे छोड़ना बोले तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी टफ फॉर यू, राइट? सो दैट्स द मोस्ट बिगेस्ट चैलेंज यू आर गोइंग टू हैव. नेक्स्ट सिस्टर. सो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू 3 इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स व्हिच आर वेरी वेरी ब्लेम. डोंट बिकम बच्चास, डोंट बिकम कंजूस. जाके दूसरे को ब्लेम करो ना को, हमारे वालिद अच्छे स्कूल को नहीं भेजते, मैं ऐसा हूं, I didn't get support from my, relatives. That's why I'm like this. I didn't go to, if I was in America, I would have been a different person. All those are excuses. Stop giving excuses. Right? Even today, if you, आप ठान लेंगे, तो कोई नहीं रुका सकता. From you exploring the best disruptive style of your own self. Are you all with me? Yes, no? Sure? You're able to understand what I'm saying? कौन गिव अप करना? अच्छा, ये प्रोग्राम किसके लिए है? टीचर्स के. क्या आंसर दिए बाबा बाबा, वाह वाह वाह, क्या आंसर. ये प्रोग्राम किसके लिए करे? सिस्टर सरवत और वो जो दूसरा जो इस्लामिक इंफॉर्मेशन से, हु डिड दे मेक दिस प्रोग्राम फॉर? फॉर हमारे लिए. अदर डेंजरस आंसर. अच्छा, आपको प्रोग्राम के बारे में मालूम नहीं क्या? आई थॉट इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया बोल के. ये प्रोग्राम है क्या भाई? पहले ये प्रोग्राम है क्या? ये आपको अंदर बुलाया गया है अखाड़े के अंदर बताने के लिए कि आप कितने बुरे हैं. Are you getting? You don't like it, no? You have been called biryani ke साथ, and they are telling you, all of us are coming and telling you, आप लोग अच्छे नहीं हैं, बकवास हैं, बेकार हैं. This is what we are telling you. Do you have the guts to take it? हाँ, yes, चुपके बोल, पूरे yes, सच बोलते सो. Yes, 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 ये मेरे को समझ में जाता नहीं. हाँ, all this is theory, sister. If I challenge you right now, you will start defending. नो क्रिकेट के अंदर डिफेंस बोले तो क्या बोलो? सुनील गावस्कर याद है? डिफेंस, टक टक. यू लाइक डिफेंसिव गेम? You should you defend as a teacher? Should you defend? Should you teach people to defend? Attack in the right way, right? Not attack everywhere. Attack in the right way. That's what you need to teach. The moment today, I'm telling you, assuring you, the moment you go home, somebody does something exactly the way they were doing, you will defend. कहीं कुछ लेट आए, नहीं वो था ये था, लेट हुआ लेट आ गए. See, if you cut all this nonsense, no, your life will become better. You will be more resourceful. सबको आंसर दे लेके बैठना, क्या भुट्टा जी? I don't understand this. What is this you're doing? This whole society is asking answers from you. Who the hell gave them the right? Are you getting my point? You should be lionesses. Powerful. The moment you enter the class, my lioness teacher is here. कौन तो बोलता है? You should be lionesses. I didn't say tigresses for a reason. Lionesses, I'll tell you that about lionesses later. But you should be like that. When you come into the class, you are grasping the class by them completely. They do not have a chance to even blink. Right? That's the power you should carry. Are you all ready for that? This program for 2 days is for you. For whom? अस बोले तो डेंजर, फॉर मी बोलना. ऐसा आ रहे हैं, अस बोले तो अच्छा लगता है ना, पूरे गलत हैं, साथ में मैं भी गलत हूं, अच्छा लगता है. पूरे बैठे इधर, अलग मेरे को बोलना मैं गलत हूं, बोला बहुत मुश्किल है. नो, यू कैन नॉट, इट डजंट गो इनसाइड. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? आई एम टेलिंग यू आर स्टिल नॉट इनफ. What am I telling you? I'm saying the one who created you, created with unlimited potential. You are limiting it. I am limiting my potential. Don't give बहानेबाजी. ये स्कूल बराबर नहीं, वो मैनेजमेंट बराबर. Don't give that बहानेबाजी. Enough. बस हो गया. Why am I telling this? Reflection of you is the society we have created. Everybody has to answer to everybody. What slavery is this? What kind of slaves are you creating? Please wake up. And while I'm giving you all the good notations, there's a serious message I'm giving you underneath, right? Learn, unlearn, relearn. दिखने के लिए बहुत आसान वर्ड्स है ये. लर्न तो सभी करते हैं. अनलर्न क्या भैया? What is this? Tell me, sister. To give up what we have learned already. Most difficult. Relearn something new, which can probably go against your old learning. कितना मुश्किल काम. This if you do, and how do you do? उसका trick है ABC. What is ABC? Accept that I am still not good enough. Accept. A for accept. Until you don't accept, you will not be able to move forward. मेरे जैसा टीचर कौन भी नहीं बोले हो गया तुम्हारी जर्नी खत्म हो गई. The moment you say, I know, I've seen a lot of people, I know people बोलता हूँ मैं उनको. I know. I've been seeing them from 20 years. एक इंच नहीं बढ़े आगे. Because they're, I know. They don't have any change. They don't have any improvement. They don't have any progress. I know. उन तुम्हें शुरू करो, सब्जेक्ट शुरू करो. ये मैं जानता हूँ, ये they're so full that they're overflowing. You can't put any more knowledge inside. वो घड़ा full है बोलते हैं देखो. Right? बहुत dangerous. So teachers को biggest दुश्मन is I know. right? You should accept that I still have a long way to go. Kuch bhi nahi, I have not achieved much. I need to do this. Learn, unlearn, and relearn. B, first is accept. Second, break. You have to break your own self. अपने आप को बनाने के लिए पहले अपने आप को तोड़ना पड़ता है. तोड़ना बहुत मुश्किल चीज है. You have to go against yourself. अपने नफ्स के अगेंस्ट जाना पड़ेगा. Right? If someone comes and say, क्या आप बकवास सिखाते हैं जी? Yes, you are right. I still have not found the best of myself. This is क्या बकवास? मैं क्या बकवास? तुम्हें बकवास तुम्हारे नाना बकवास तुम्हारे. You see, that's the system I'm talking about. Defensive system. The moment you are told something, you defend. Tuck, 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 defend. And we go back on the person. Take every criticism as feedback. Then you will break yourself. Somebody might be criticizing because they hate you. उसमें 50% सच्चाई तो रहेंगी ना. Don't look at the person. What the person is saying. Take that and say, wow, let me improve on that. You will be a winner. See for construct new. Only when you break, you can construct. Accept, break, construct. These three steps are very simple and it's applicable to any habit. पहले अपने गलत हैबिट को एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ता है. दूसरा उसको ब्रेक करना पड़ता है. गोइंग बाय ब्रेकिंग हाउ? गोइंग अगेंस्ट इट. फॉर हाउ मच टाइम? मिनिमम 21 days. मिनिमम 21 days. नफ्स को पकड़ के रखना. मीठा पसंद आ रहा है, गुलाब जामुन सामने है, नहीं. You do that for 21 days or 30 days approximately, you will get a grip on yourself. कितने दिन करना? अंदर पक्के रहता, अंदर दिमाग के अंदर जो नर्व रहता है अबाउट एवरी सिंगल हैबिट इज वेरी स्ट्रांग. उसे तोड़ना या तो उसको डाइल्यूट करना बोले तो फिजिकली इट हैपेंस. यू हैव टू होल्ड योरसेल्फ बैक. Are you getting the point? It's very, very crucial, right? A, B, and C. Sister, next. One click. So, new style. You have to adapt to the new style. How? By exploring new learning methods across the world. In 1 hour, I can't tell you. One of the best teaching methods in the world, proven, is the Finnish method. Finland ka method hai. If you go online and check, I'm sure you'll be able to understand how these people are able to orchestrate the best learning systems. Right? Second, this is out of the syllabus question. How many of you have ever aspired to teach in an IB school? Ivy League school. You're already teaching, sister? You're already teaching? You aspire to. You aspire. What's your name, sister? Shazma. Excellent. If you aim for the stars, you'll reach at least the moon. If you aim for the stars, you'll at least reach the moon. If you aim for the moon, you'll reach the electric tube light in front of your house. अपने थोड़ा एस्पिरेशन, पर्सनल एस्पिरेशन रखो ना. क्या गलत क्या है? I want to teach in Ivy League schools. I want to teach in IB schools. I want to be an international teacher. There is a huge demand for this. Why am I telling you this? Because if you move from here, then somebody else will come in your place. They'll get an opportunity. पूरा अटक के वहां बैठ गए, सीट छोड़ना नहीं चाह रहे. अरे ऐसी क्या कंजूसी है जी? Have you ever thought that you should do something more and your own personal aspirations take it up? नहीं नहीं, वो कैसा कर सकते? I am committed to the children here. You can be committed to the world here. Why not? Making sense? Personal goals को जाके डस्टबिन में मत फेंको. This usually happens after marriage. Marriage में क्या हो जाता है मालूम नहीं. उसके बाद पूरे गोल्स जितने भी लिख के रहते हैं फाड़ के ले जाके डस्टबिन में. हो गया मेरी जिंदगी खराब. Finished. I mean, that's your conjusi. That's your conjusi, not your husband. Because if you want anything from your husband, you get it done, right? You have that kala. So this also, career also, वो सब करा सकते हैं. हार होना या कुछ नई चीज होना तो दिला, you know how to get it done. I don't have to explain. But then, this aspiration of career, no, वो होगा छोड़ो, हम कुर्बान कर को डाल. No, I'm not going to go. What kind of a conjusi is that? Next slide, sister. So it's disruptive, right? After the pandemic, everything is disruptive. Nothing is normal now. Next slide, sister. So again, how many of you have taught online? How many of you have done online classes? So you adapted, accepted, you broke your old system. Kaisa karna samajh mein aa raha nahi tha. You broke it, then you constructed a new habit, right? Next slide, sister. Even the kids did it. आप इस नहीं करे, बच्चे भी किए घर पे, right? It was impossible. Of course, I'm not debating whether it was good or bad. It's difficult. Online is very difficult because some of the classes you cannot make it online, right? But still, even if it is 25% effective, the world is moving on. Probably, this can be the new norm of the world itself. We don't know, right? So you have to go ABC. You have to adapt that. Next, sister. Next slide. So this is a disrupt. I don't know. Look at this picture and tell me what is the disrupt. What is the disrupt? The way she's sitting? Have you seen the gas meter? And this is a very, very lowest middle class house. And there is a gas meter, and this is coming from where? Biogas. It's a disrupt. The entire village runs on biogas. Somebody disruptive created this, right? No normal thinking mein kar sakte the. Chulha phuk nahi chata yahan pe. Right? So we need to understand this. We have to gear up right now. We can't postpone it any further. Next, sister. The illiterate. जो इस जमाने के illiterate क्या बोलते हैं? जाहिल. इस जमाने के जो जाहिल लोग हैं of the 21st century are not those who cannot read, write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn and relearn. नई पीढ़ी के जाहिल लोगों ने जो लिखे पढ़ी नहीं जानते वो नहीं जाहिल. जाहिल वो है जो अपने आप को नए चीजें पुराने चीजों को निकाल के नया नहीं सिखा सकते. ये लोग जाहिल हैं. Now I want you to judge for yourselves. Next, sister. So what's coming up now? क्या बोल रहे हैं भाई? AR, VR. I don't know what's going to happen. Are you geared up? Are you geared up? No, you're not geared up. Accept. Accept. No is defensive. Yes is defensive. Are you geared up? Yes, I'm geared up. No. Have you gone and learned? Have you taken a course on VR? Have you taken a course on AR? Have you taken a course on artificial intelligence? Have you taken a course on machine learning? Everything will become a part of the system. Remember, education alag tha, industry alag thi, governance alag thi, everything was separate. Now, it is not going to be separate, it's all going to be integrated. Remember this. You will be a part of the main system. Wake up now. जो अब उठ गया आगे बहुत आगे बढ़ सकता है. अब अगर नहीं उठे, if you're not able to adapt to these kind of teaching techniques, you will be like, आवाज नहीं करना, चुपके बैठो, तुम्हारे बाप को बोल दो. This is what will go on for the next 20 years. And you will not be able to create even one single leader in the society. Your job is to create leadership, right? So how will you create it? Be very careful about this. What am I trying to tell? Wake up now and upgrade yourself. Wake up now and upskill yourself. Next, sister, please. Now choose one person sitting next to you. Quickly. बोलते ही करना है क्या इतनी सुस्ती है? टक करके चूज करो एक को बाजू में. Okay? Face to face. Sit face to face. Quick. Sit face to face. Choose one person and sit face to face. I'm giving you an assessment. Sit face to face, sister. पलटा के बैठो. चेयर पलटा, हरकत करो कुछ थोड़ा. Face to face. You're three people. Pull out the chair. Catch her. Pull her here and sit. Sister, इधर आओ. इनके साथ बैठो. Why are you holding her? Leave her. No, for some time. Are you known to each other? And that's the problem. That's the comfort. Sister, turn around and come here. सब comfort में काम करते हैं. There are 5 people here. Come on, get up quick, move. Workshop ये, काम करना है इधर. Sister, 8 बजे तक नहीं छोड़ना किसे भी. वर्क्स क्या कंजूसी का वर्कशॉप, 5 बजे तक कैसा जी वर्कशॉप ये, 8 तक 1 बजे रात में तक रखना. That's how workshops are done. I have attended a workshop which the trainer first in the morning, he stood on the stage. Okay guys, this was happening in Singapore. Okay guys, how are you all? Everybody, yes, very fine, and everybody is in an enthusiastic mood, and he says, right, one thing I forgot to tell you about the workshop, we are not going to have any breaks. And I'm looking like breaks, बोले तो मैं breakfast भी नहीं कर रहा, नहीं break ही नहीं बोल रहा है ना, क्या करना अभी? तो he said no breaks, you can take your break, but the workshop is not going to move. I'm not going to move till about 1 o'clock in the night. And I'm telling you, he didn't move. He was with us the whole time, from the time he started till 1 in the night. 1 loo break he took, that to 6 minutes. He was having a bottle of water, he was having a bowl of peanuts and nuts, some nuts. He was having the nuts, having water and going on. Whoever wanted to take a break could take a break and go and come. He said, I'm not going to take a break. कहाँ है वो passion नहीं रहा तो नहीं कर सकते. You have to have the passion. I'm telling you, take a partner. अभी बैठ के मेरी सूरत देख रहे हैं लोग. How will you be extraordinary teachers, यार? Come on. Right. Have you all got a buddy? चोरी मेरे से नहीं करे, चोरी अपने आप से करती सो तुम्हें. अगर नहीं काम सही नहीं कर रही तो चोरी किसके अगेंस्ट हुई? अपने आप के साथ ही हो गई. कर लियो. All right. Sister, now I'll give you the exercise. The exercise is, honestly, 100%, ये इसमें क्या भी झूठ नहीं बोलना, please. Okay? Honestly, you have to interact on these points and declare to your the person whether you have these qualities or no. And in that qualities, for every right answer, that is, yes, I have the quality, 1 point. For every answer which is no, you have to put 0. Got it? First point, and you have to interact with your partner only, not the other person. For every right answer or yes answer, it is 1 point. For every no answer, it is a 0. Do it quick, let's see. How much time do we have, please? Somebody? क्या टाइम है? Up to 120 you can go. अब क्या टाइम है? 12:50. Oh. For your convenience, I'm going to read it out. 1. Speaks more than 3 languages. If it is yes, right, put 1 point for yourself. If it is no, 0. Speaks more than, not 3 languages, more than 3. 3 raha to 0. Khali 3 languages to 0. More than 3 is? More than 3 is 1.
More than 3 is not written. It speaks 3 languages.
Speaks more than है ना sister वो arrow. हाँ, greater than 3 languages. Exercise greater than 3 times a week. You might be wondering, what has exercise got to do with teaching? Everything. 3 days a week, 0. Over 3 days a week, 1. Reads 1 hour every day, not WhatsApp messages. Reads 1 hour every day, but not anything on the digital. It should be physical book. Something which is of content. Next, connected to social work. What is social work? Anything to make impact to the society, CSR or an NGO, any kind of work. If you have connected, you are connect, yes. Are you a lioness? Then you have to speak louder. Just hold on, do the totaling. Total karo, wait karo, yes. You want me to answer that for you? Happily married. It's a yes or no only, no. It in between तो नहीं हो सकता ना. मुझे मालूम है मैं भी शादीशुदा हूँ. It can't be in between. For those who are, for spinsters 1 mark because you're happy, no. There is a joke which says there are 2 kinds of people. One happy, the other married करके. But anyway, if you're happily married, you're blessed. Yes.
Play a sport, is it every day or how is it? Play a sport. Play a sport.
Any sport.
Every
Indoor,
day?
outdoor, whatever.
Every day or how is
No,
it?
no, it's given there, no?
No.
Acha, it's again, that is also 3 days, above 3 days.
Indoor, outdoor, anything.
No, sister, actually, play a sport is not day restrictive. It's just play a sport. So don't put days to that. If you play a sport, even once or twice a week, also no problem. There's no days there. Done? So has done a counseling course. I'm talking about a certified counseling course. Okay? No bole to 0. If you've done 1. And then happily married, of course, we discussed. Spoken on stage. Spoken on stage, not in the classroom. Classroom nahi bhai. Other than the classroom, you've got an event like this. You've come on stage and you've spoken to people. Right? You have been teaching online. Points 1, if you have not been teaching online, anda. Traveled over 3 states in the country. Minimum 3 states you should have traveled. Play a sport. Last one, done/doing masters or doctorate. You have done or you're doing masters or doctorate. Points 1, if you're not doing it, 0. Total it, please total it. And don't share it with others. मेरे marks तुम्हारे marks से अच्छे हैं. No. Please don't. Get the total, please. All right. Sister, change the slide. Now, girls, please look at this. Why am I calling you girls? Girls and guys. Why am I calling you that? Because you all feel old. I have checked with most of the people. Once they are married, no, it's like, बुड्ढे हो गए, छोड़ो करके. पूरे given up. Right? So 0 to 2, you are in only the state of learning. You have not progressed. If you are scoring 0 to 2, it's only the state of learning. 3 to 5, you have certain qualities of learning and unlearning. And if you are between 6 to 11, learn, unlearn and relearn has set in inside you. Now, sister, go back to the slide, previous slide. Take 5 minutes. Discuss with your partner right now for this next 6 months, what are your new goals in this list? Because these are all goals, right? If you see the reflection of this, it's actually these are goals, right? Pick up, because if you really have to be an extraordinary teacher, are you all with me? Children? Children? Can you say yes loudly, please? And can you say yes a little more like a girl?
Yes.
How girls say yes?
Yes, yes.
This is all Buddha yes. Girls yes.
For
Vaisa.
We are all students of yours, sir.
So I'm asking students only, no girls
Yes,
कुछ बोल रहे हो
yes.
सुना मैं girls. Okay, so pick up a couple of them and convert them and declare to your partner, these are my 6 months के अंदर I'm going to complete these goals. These 6 months, next 6 months, I'm going to complete these goals. Declare it to your partner right away. I'm giving you 5 minutes. 3 minutes actually. Okay, how many of you feel you're good? How many of you, I'm good, I'm good enough? You feel you're good in all this? How about upgrading them? See, being good, I actually tell some people that success can be your biggest enemy. Why? It benchmarks you. When you get successful, what happens? ये मेरा इतना successful इतना चीज से आगे मैं क्या भी wow, I'm really successful. You feel happy and success can define a benchmark in you and it can close you forever. Next 100 years I'm going to be like this. Very nice. That can be dangerous, right? If somebody is saying, I already play a sport, so I'm qualified, why कंजूस कंजूस के लिए टीचिंग में जगह नहीं है, जगह नहीं है, तुम्हें खुद घुस घुस के आगे बैठे. You are destroying the students. How bad I'm making you feel, no?
They may give a break.
Nahi?
A break and all will rush.
Because this is a training, this is a workshop. This is not a lecture. Are you feeling bad? Yeah, you should feel very bad. By the time you go in the evening, you should go like, क्या कर डाली मैं 25 साल बेकार चले गए मेरे बोल के भाई वो feelings से जाना. तभी जो है, you are a new warrior. Say, God, enough is enough, man. Nonsense. How can I live like this? I'm going to get back and completely break my shell and come out. That should do today. I'm nice. Very good. Oh, acha kaam. Everything is nice about me. Dangerous. Are you getting the point? Kaisa jana ghar ko? With that you should be demotivated and motivated. Not demotivated, depressed, होगा खलास मेरा तो जिंदगी में कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. That should not be the spirit. You should be very demotivated, but very motivated. Say, I have to get back, man. बच्चों की जिंदगियां मेरे हाथ में है. It's a great responsibility. Otherwise, put your resignation today itself. Send it to the school and say, I have realized I'm not qualified to be a teacher. Here's my resignation. I'm going to move out. I'm going to do something else in life which can make an impact to society. Are you going to be honest enough to do that? Sister Sarvat is going to kill me. कौन से दीवाने को बुला लेकर यहाँ मैं बोल के? But this is honesty, yaar. Come on, I'm being honest. If you can't do a job to the best, एहसान से नहीं कर सकते मत करो. एहसान से नहीं कर सकते मत करो. अधकच्चा खाना खाएंगे आप? नहीं खाना खाते. अधकच्चा उतार के रंधे परवाने एडजस्ट करो बोल सकते? How can we do this job? This is one of the most noble jobs in the world, in the universe. How can we do adkacha? अब हम बिरयानी बना रहे, adkachi खाते आप? How can we do half-baked job with our children? I'm asking you a very serious question, sisters and brothers. Get up and get to difference to your life. It will automatically make a difference to your life first. दूसरे का छोड़ो. Make a difference. Benchmark, a higher benchmarks, the stars. No conjusi in that. Why? एक जिंदगी है जी. You want to live conjusi? एक जिंदगी, just one life. Half, 3/4 of it is gone for most of us. Man, I can't live like that. I don't know about you. Sister, change the slide. Have you declared a few goals to each other? Take down the number of the other person. Take down the phone number of the other person you just spoke to, your buddy. Please, take down the number. Every 3 days, you call each other. From today onwards, it's a workshop. You should have work happening. Are you all with me, sisters? Every 3 days, call each other and check on the goals. क्या है तुम्हारे गोल का हाल? Because as human beings we need reminders, we need the courage, when we need encouragement, right? Call up and say, you had told about in that workshop, you told there is a goal, you have this goal, what's happening with that goal? Ask, right? Will you do that? Commitment, every 3 days one call, 5 minutes call between both of you. Sister, next slide. Okay, little advertisement for myself, because the funds which come from this book go for a social cause in DJ Halli. Okay, whatever money comes from this book goes to a social cause. I am available on Instagram and Facebook, not very active, but I will respond on these numbers. You can be in touch with me, or you can contact me through Sister Sarvat, or probably we'll interact when we are there in the field with you all. If you buy a book online, the money goes, the profits goes to a social cause inside DJ Halli. This is an old book which I had written. You can go to the next slide, sister. This is my upcoming book, which is, again, the money from the book goes to the same social cause. This is going to come up in the next 15 to 20 days, inshallah. Previous slide, sister, on popular demand. This is the warrior within you, and it is a read for age group 15 to 35. Next slide, sister. So this is an upcoming book. You keep a track. Probably you will come to know about this. This is also a book on how you can upsize your goals. कंजूसी नहीं करना. Goals में क्या करते हैं हम लोग? Giant goals नहीं लेते. Goal लिए तो भी डर लगता है. होता है नहीं होता है बोल के we cut short and we are not committed to our own goals. So this book is very specific on the art of giant goals. How do you pick up a big goal and complete it? It's a step-by-step process of how you can, get to your big goals, right? Next slide, sister. One more click. No, one click. Okay, ठीक है. So this is something very important I want to share with you. This is something important. I want your focus on this. Pre-school, I think it was that Montessori period, my second son, Zayan, was on the ground and they had a sports day, they had a competition. All the parents were sitting on the stadium, on the steps of the stadium, and all the children, all these are chotus, they don't know why they are there. Who is enjoying the most? The teachers and the parents. But kids, they don't have a clue. क्या वास्ते अच्छे कपड़े पहनाएं, क्या वास्ते लेके आए, they don't have a clue. Okay, they're all standing in the ground. On the ground. They are lined up. And the teachers are taking all of them and telling them, you'll have to run to the last there, about 50 meters or something, 50, 70 meters ka ek race tha. And there are some teachers on the other side. And they are, because the kids are not even oriented. Some of them are standing like this, some standing like this, some standing like this. None of them are oriented. So they somehow get the children, they're very small, 3 years, 2.5, 3 years. Can I have some water please, if you don't mind? So 2 to 3 years. So उनको पूरे line में डाल के, after that, they blow the whistle. After they blow the whistle, some of the children are running backwards. Some are running on the other side because they are kids, they don't know what's happening. So they are, the parents or the teachers are trying to, motivate them to run towards this side. As they are running, the parents start shouting, faster, faster. I'm hearing to all the parents, come on, go for it. You can do it. You need to come first. You can win. All dialogues chal rahe. Even I am fully enthusiastic. I am also geared up because my son has just started. Some of them have already moved forward. I am also like, getting up and I'm Zayan, and then I just stop myself. I'm observing everybody and I'm seeing all the children whose parents are shouting. The kid is looking towards the parent and is completely confused. You can do it. What can I do? See the command. Notice the command. You can do it. Go faster. Faster than what? Faster. Faster than what? Win where? Win what? Are you getting the point? I was looking and I saw the parents were more stressed than the children. Okay? Have you observed this kind of a scene? Teachers also stressed because they have to keep them in order and bring them to the last. Half the children were stressed because they have been pressurized from before. Breakfast time se unko sikha le ke aayi कि today is a race and you will have to win. Most of the children were not enjoying it. This is mine, right? Value appreciate. अच्छा है, मेहनतदारी, ये सब है, उसूल है. Will require this person to do something for society, otherwise they are all going to go. So your victory is not equal to the value. Value is different. Victory is different. There could be a person who wins with values. I agree. I'm not saying no. But be careful. Right? I think we have left with 5 minutes. Next slide, sister. Okay. Last slide. I've done this with some of the teachers. I would like to probably end with this slide. What do you think this sentence is? Chinese hats seldom impress European queen. I want interaction, quick interaction. Quick interaction. Quick, 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 quick. You're scared of being wrong? Yeah, tell me. Give the mics, please, please, quick, some of the volunteers. Tell me, sister. Okay. Though you like what you have. Chinese are happy with their kind of hats. Europeans are not happy with those hats. Anything else?
The change of the color and the change of the difference between the hats. This Chinese hat is having something half and this European is having something full. So which they can change their life.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. Different kind of hats are representing different cultures is what you
Yeah.
said. Okay, anything else? Anybody else? Quick. I want more feedback. Quick. Yes, yes, sister.
I can see the one point here. The hat is covering one belt type. It will comfort the person who is wearing. And other hand hat is not having any comfort, I think so.
It's about the comfort of the hat. By the way, both are Chinese hats. Huh? Yes, 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 there.
Every person has different character.
Okay.
Since Chinese has this type of qualities, but Europeans has this type of qualities.
Okay, everybody has different characteristic. Okay, great.
We cannot compare.
No comparison. Anything else? Quick, 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 quick. Give. Yes, sister.
Transformation from the past to the present format.
Okay, good. Transformation of the past to present.
Actually, I'll just rephrase. Matlab, I'll just give the meaning of that sentence. Chinese hats seldom means it's rarely impress European queens. It means that they are satisfied with what they have and they don't want to change.
Okay.
They are just happy with their own culture and then nothing impresses them.
Got that. Great. Anybody else? Anything different? Quick, quick, quick. Yeah, there. There are two people. You can shout out.
It's actually, both are Chinese hats. No? So actually the the European queen or whoever it is, they feel superior of themselves.
Okay, the way you need to hold the mic is like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
The queen of Europe, she feels herself more superior to Chinese.
Okay, the queen of Europe feels more superior to the Chinese, so they don't get impressed with the Chinese hat. Okay, fantastic. Yes, there. वहीं पे दे दो.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalam.
So queens and ladies always go for cheap and best item they need. So I think Chinese always produce
Both controversial statement Mardalena bhai.
best and cheap and best items. So that's why the queens are more satisfied with the Chinese item.
तुम्हारे लंच टाइम के खैर नहीं है भाई इतना तो मैं बता दो लेडीज गो फॉर चीप आइटम्स बोल के ओके
Grass on the opposite side is always green. So the Europeans, that's something rare, which is something different from their hat. So might be they want to buy that.
ओके गुड एनीबडी एल्स लास्ट आपका हो गया ना वन मोर एनीबडी एल्स लास्ट चांस देयर इज अ सिस्टर देयर I think I have a couple of minutes left.
Sir, I think it is like what you said about fish. We should not compare with the squirrel. So each one has its own, they like their own.
Okay.
So Chinese are hardly impressive
Okay.
for the European.
Okay. All what you said is nonsense. All what I showed also is nonsense. Have you ever heard of this sentence, B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very beautiful wife? Have you heard of this sentence? Anybody? Anybody has heard? From engineering background, you would have heard of this. B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very beautiful wife. From the engineering back. What is it? Give her the mic. Give her the mic. Quickly, run. You should run. B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very beautiful wife.
It is color code of resistor.
It is the color code of a resistor. Resistor का color code याद रहता नहीं. What is the color code? Tell me, sister.
B for black, brown. Second B is for brown. R for red. O for orange. Y for yellow.
अब वो brown, black, brown, orange, yellow याद रखने नहीं होता बोल के क्या करते हैं? Smart people like me come up with this kind of statements. B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very beautiful wife. पूरा याद रह जाता है, पूरा color code याद रह जाता है. Right? Sit down. Thank you. Give her a big hand. क्या big hand की तुम्हें लोगों का? I don't understand it. Anyway, this is exactly like that. Chinese hats seldom impress European queens is a nonsense statement. Okay? Which is going to give you the tips of how to start a class. Okay? The first letter of the first word, Chinese, C, you have to build curiosity in the class. C for curiosity. How? Start off with an incident, a story, an anecdote, anything like that. First one is curiosity, because how can you grasp the students? If you start off, today we are going to do this, about the Indian history, everybody will shut off, tuck. You know what happened last week? I had gone to the market. And in the market, I saw this, and you start off with a narrative which makes the whole students be gripped with you. The first 2 minutes of the class are what will get you the entire class. First one is curiosity. Second is humor. I actually demonstrated all this in today's session. I don't know if you all observed. I demonstrated almost all of this techniques in today's session, that 1 hour session में पूरे techniques demonstrate किया. Second is humor. If I was not humorous with you, would you have connected with me? No, you would have taken it another lecture and you would have walked off. Now I'm sure you will not forget me. I want to create that. I have to, as a teacher, as a coach, I have to create that impact. Even after 20 years, you should remember me. Only then will you remember what I said. Correct? That's what you need to create. Be humorous. Don't be stuck up. Nani ban ko rahno ko tumhe. Right? You should be like, that's why I said girl. You should be like a girl in the class. Right? Or the boys. Seldom. Story. Next is what? Stories are required. In most of the scriptures, stories are told. Why? Human beings have very strong memory on stories. Long memory on stories. Any story, if you say and associate it with a lesson, it is easy to remember. Next one, impress. True life incident. Like I said about my son Zayan. It was a true life incident. You will remember it. Next, E, exhibit. Right? For example, this bottle of water was manufactured. You grasp the attention of the entire crowd. And the last one is asking questions. I asked you so many questions. This itself was a question. What do you think about this sentence? How much of interaction I got? Right? You'll never forget this now. Chinese hats seldom impress European queens are the techniques of how to start the class. Use one of them every time without fail, consciously. When you're preparing your lesson plan, definitely embed one of this technique. Today I'm going to start with a question. Today I'm going to start with a story. Today I'm going to start with an exhibit. You can take any exhibit. This is something I received from my grandfather for this. First 2 minutes you've caught the attention. Right? Hope my session was enjoyable and there was enough learning for you all. I wish that you can implement at least 10 to 20% of what you learned. And I look forward to meeting you again. I'm available. Sister Sarvat is here anytime you need. And I'm thankful to you for being attentive, because you could have behaved like bad, naughty children and you could have disrupted me. You didn't do that. So you behaved very well. So thank you so much for that. And thank you. That's it. Thank you. Any questions? One question I can take. Yeah. Yes, brother. One question. I'm sorry I'm intruding into your biryani time.
Since nobody asked the question, I'm asking.
Sure.
How did you develop these skills? Can you share that with everybody?
What skills?
The way you talk, the way you interact and all that. I think that is what the teachers require.
Oh God. My wife. बहुत critical question पूछ डालेना भाई तुम्हें भी. So I'm
Teachers
very
को apt है वो, that's the reason.
two things I think. One my grandfather and one my wife. My grandfather is my dad's dad. बचपन में जब भी मिलते he used to always tell ये बच्चा पत्थरों से बात करेगा बोल के. I never understood what he said. So later on I came to realize that I have good communication skills, reasonably good communication skills. The other one was after getting married, I realized that there is something called as learning, coaching, training, teaching from my wife. She identified, she said, तुम्हारे अंदर बहुत potential है, लेकिन you're completely raw. You're not trained, you're not coached. Nobody has taught you anything in life. So that was like a big shock. So secretly, without telling her, I started attending a lot of programs in the country. I never liked most of the programs inside the country. So I started traveling abroad, attending a lot of programs, spending a lot of hard-earned money. And probably it was not to make money out of this profession. I came back and the first program I did, when I came back from Singapore, the first program I did was for teachers. I said, मेरी ज़िंदगी में अगर 90% अच्छे टीचर्स मिले रहते तो मेरी ज़िंदगी और अच्छी रहती. मेरे को खाली 10% अच्छे टीचर्स मिले तो मैं बच गया. So I said I have to go back to the teachers and talk to them. So that's what inspired me to. And so it's not that, see, most of the people think that you have to practice and learn skills. No. If you're really genuine, you'll be an extraordinary person on the stage. This much I can tell you. Don't try to put hard work. If you really are genuine, you want to pass a message to the audience and you want to do that from the stage, you don't need any skills. You just have to be genuine from your heart and pass it to the crowd. So thank you so much for that. Jazakallah. Thank you and look forward to meeting you all again. Thank you. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.